a quick little compost hack. Right here is your brown, that's your carbons. Right there is your green, that's your nitrogens. Sometimes in your compost bin, you will have way too much green, and then what happens is your compost bin will start stinking really bad, attracting all kind of rodents and what have you, especially the flies and the little bitey things I don't like at all. They'll get you right on the ankles, and that's not fun when it swells. So, here's a little hack that I do. Right after a rain, sometimes you might forget that you have your stuff out there and the sun comes out, and as you can see by it turning light brown, it has started to dry. You do not want to put that dry stuff into your compost and mix it up with your soil right now. That's not going to do no good. I like mine browns to sit near the bottom of the compost and then put a layer or two of dirt, nitrogen, and some more carbon on the top, and just keep that lasagna layering going. Well, the stuff that you got on bottom, you do not want this stuff dry. You want it wet, because that's what the worms and all the fun stuff's going to come and turn your cardboard into nice soil. But you got to have the right mixture of everything. If you have too much brown, not too much happens. Things don't decay quick enough. If you have too much of the rich green nitrogen, it stinks. It's just not worth the smell and all the horribleness that comes with that. It doesn't break down as quick. So what you want to do is you want to get that browns, you want to add it to a bucket, and you want to put water in that bucket. Because that way, in a couple hours, 24 hours, whenever you think that stuff's good enough to go and wet enough, you can add that to the bottom or anywhere in your compost bin that you feel necessary. In times when I used to forget, I'd come out with the water, wouldn't have a bucket. I'd sit here and soak this stuff, but then you got to make sure it's it doesn't dry out, and it's going to dry out a lot quicker, obviously, than soaking it in a bucket. So all I do is I'll finish putting that in this bucket. I'll grab my water can, and I will soak that, and get it nice and wet. I'm going to actually add that stuff after the video, and that's all there is to it. It's compost 101. It's not that complicated, but sometimes people forget the right mixtures that you got to put in. Okay, I hope this video helped you.